Hi, this is Chinmayi. I'm going to be answering a couple of questions that I have gotten about when to use Nalpamaradi Tailam and when to use Kunkumadi Tailam in your skincare routine. So let me take you right in. I learned about the double cleanse method from Asian beauty regimes, basically from the Korean skincare regime, that you do a double cleanse. So what the double cleanse is has been explained in total in a very different video. I prefer to use Nalpamaradi Tailam. So I buy it from Arogyamritam Vaidyashala, where the clinic is in GNCT Road. So I'm going to be, I think the address has been shared before along with the contact number. Some of you have also reached out to the doctor at Arogyamritam Vaidyashala, and you guys have bought the Nalpamaradi from them. Now, the Nalpamaradi Tailam is something that must be used on your face and washed off. You shouldn't be leaving it on your skin for more than 30 minutes. If you are prone to colds or if you have sinuses, the doctor advises that you don't leave it on your face for any more than 15 minutes. I'm usually using Nalpamaradi Tailam at the end of my day, whether I use sunscreen, whether I don't use sunscreen, that is on days when I'm indoors, or on days that I wear makeup. I use the Tailam to remove my makeup first, then wash it off with a foam cleanser. That's what I do. Nalpamaradi Tailam will stain your fingers because it has a lot of turmeric in it. So if you have gotten a French manicure done, or if you are going to be wearing any light colored nail polish, please know that it will stain your nail polish. So that's a word of caution there. Otherwise, I have loved using it. It's great for your skin. Nalpamaradi has been made as an oil, or it can also be used as an all over body massage oil. It's great for you. If you have the tendency to get oil massages done or oil baths done on a regular basis, instead of the usual coconut oil or the gingerly oil which is prescribed, I guess it's been a part of our culture to do that as well. You can also use Nalpamaradi Tailam for your entire body. It's very, very good for you. There are no issues there. Another thing, if you're using something like an Nalpamaradi Tailam all over your body for your massage, I would definitely urge you to use any of these herbal powders, if you may, to actually wash off the oil instead of commercially available soap, or maybe try any herbal soap so that the benefits last longer. For example, you could make a paste out of gram flour, which is chickpea flour, or rice flour, and then add some milk or some curd into it and then rub it off, and the oil will go absolutely off. That's one. So for me, Nalpamaradi Tailam is step one of my night care routine. Kunkumadi Tailam is usually the last step, or the step before I go with the sleeping pack in my night care routine. Kunkumadi Tailam is made, as you might garner from the name, it contains saffron. And you will actually get very, very small quantities for about 355 rupees. My favorite Kunkumadi Tailam is from Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala. And Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala does have a website. If you Google, it will take you to the website, and I'm also going to be linking that website down below, so you can pick up Kunkumadi Tailam from there. I think they ship across India. I'm not sure if they ship outside the country. So you can use Kunkumadi Tailam on your face as a last step in your skincare routine. As long as I am concerned, none of these oils have led me to breakouts. They have not led me to any purging initially. Please know that whenever you start with a skincare regime, it will lead to purging. Your skin will become a little worse before it becomes better. So when you're introducing something new to your skincare routine, whether it's even as something as simple as a toner or an oil, don't be alarmed if you see a couple of breakouts happening. It's normal. Even I have breakouts. If you notice, there's a little bit of a pimple here and there, and that's because my skin is purging a little bit because I started using the NIOD's CIAS2. So that does happen. So you don't have to be alarmed with it. Also, some amount of purging might happen around the time of the cycle, especially for women. So that's also something that you can keep in mind. So I hope that answers your question. So my Nalpamaradi Tailam is my step one. I leave it on my face, I massage it, and then wash it off in less than 10 minutes. Actually, that's what I do. I just massage into my face. As soon as I'm sure that all my mascara, especially on days that I'm wearing makeup, it's all been removed, I wash it off with a foam cleanser. And the Kunkumadi Tailam is something that is left on overnight on my skin. I just need a couple of drops at the end of my skincare routine, and I wash it up only the next morning. I hope that answers the questions, and until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying goodbye.